whatever problems you have right now with your JEE preparation for the last 20 days, that this video is going to be very important for all of you. So how many number of hours should I give to my preparation, to my revision, to my mock test and everything? Organic chemistry is very much related to each other. Hi everyone. How are you all, guys? This is your one and only Akash Tyagi sir, your mentor and your educator, guys, finally here with a very important video for you on this amazing channel of PW Gulf. Guys, it's right here, your JEE Mains 2025. Almost you have now, it's New Year and you have your only 20 days for your final strategy, final game plan. And we'll discuss all the important things right here so that you can easily conquer your this JEE Main 2025. So let's start with a very important discussion right here. And I want you to be here for the whole video, for the whole strategy, because I'm going to give you a lot of important information and how to tackle your, whatever problems you have right now with your JEE preparation for the last 20 days. And, it's very common and, it's very common to say that, sir, is it possible that if I just see this video, if I just, watch this video and the last 25 days, last 20 days game plan of yours, so will it be, possible for me to just do the bounce back because I'm having a lot of issues with me while doing the preparation of JEE 2025. So guys, I'm assuring you that this video is going to be very important for all of you, because I'm just, let's start the video so that you can know that what points we are going to discuss here, which are very important for all of you guys. Syllabus coverage or revision, and revision or mock test. This is a very important question in your mind, sir. In the last 20 days, should I just cover my, okay, syllabus coverage is already done. I hope that you all have, done your syllabus, guys. Now it's the question is whether I should do the revision again in the last 20 days or I should, do the mock test. This is a very important question in your mind, guys, all of you. Now, the next thing is number of hours to study. So, how many number of hours should I give to my preparation, to my revision, to my mock test and everything? So, out of 24 hours, the number of hours I should give to my preparation. So, it's a matter of fact that you are all confused that, sir, some says that 6 hours is enough if we do the productive study, and some says that it requires 9 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours. So, what should I do, sir? So, this is one of the question. Next, what time is best, day or night? So I should, I'll be very productive in night because, nobody is here to disturb me in the night. So there is so many questions in your mind about the, day or night, how to be more productive, sir. I study for 6 hours, but it feels like I didn't do a lot of things. So yeah, best strategy for the whole syllabus revision. So what should be the best strategy? How can I make my syllabus, grasp everything in these 20 days? And in the last, how to get motivated, sir. I don't feel motivated for so long, sir. I just sit for 1 and 2 hours and then I feel that I'm not doing enough, I'm not doing good, and I'm not getting it. So a lot of things will be discussed in this video. So be in this video and let's try to solve each and every problem of yours one by one, everyone. Whole day schedule, sir. Okay. Now, your first question was, first of all, should I do the revision or mock test? So guys, just tell me, just let me know, I want to say one thing, that right now for you, revision is very important. Mock test is important in the last 7 to 10 days only. Okay. Why, sir? Why you are saying this? Because, right now, I know that you have done your syllabus and, it's very important to have a final revision, guys. Okay, to be more confident with your syllabus, with your understanding of the concepts. So it's very important to do the revision first before just getting into the mock test. Otherwise, what you will feel after giving the mock test, you will not get enough marks what you desire, and then you will say, okay, sir, I didn't do well this year, so I'm not feeling good about my marks and everything. So first, feel confident about the syllabus. So do revision first, and then for mock test, we'll have our very last 7 to 10 days for the rigorous mock test analysis and mock test solutions, everyone. Number of hours to study in a day. So guys, some says that the 6 hours are enough, some says 9, some says 12, but I will tell you guys, 9 hours should be minimum for you. This should be minimum for you. Maximum can be anything depending upon your will, your power to sit there and to just study and study. But the basic I'll say the basic number of hours should be 9 to 12 hours, minimum 9 and 12 hours you can give to your preparation. These number of hours are mandatory for your preparation, guys. Now, whatever you are giving 9 or 12, you will have a set of 3 shifts. First shift of 3 to 4 hour, whatever you are having 9 or 12, then second shift, and then third shift. All right, sir. Okay, I'll have 3 shifts of 3 hours or 4 hours. Then how to study in these 3 shifts? What should be the best strategy, guys? So basically, guys, your first shift should be in the morning. Okay, if you are not a early morning person and you think that's a usually it's winters and it's not possible for me to be very comfortable with the study in the very morning 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. and I'll not be productive. I'll not be that productive because in winters I'm not feeling that comfortable in the morning. So guys, okay, just wake up at 7:30 and start your preparation, start your study at 8. Okay, 8 to 11 will is going to be your first shift. In this shift, guys, you will focus on theory. All right, sir. You will focus on theory. Why? Because your mind is completely fresh. You don't have anything from the past. All right, after a great sleep, you'll be completely fresh, and you will have the ability to grasp each and everything of the theory, which is important. You know what, you have to remember a lot of theory. So you will focus on the theory in the first shift. Then the second shift, guys, which is from 2 to 5 or 6, whatever you are giving 3 or 4 hours in a shift, guys. In this shift, you will focus on derivations. You will focus on high level concept, because it is it is the time where you are in winters. I know that it feels like sir, it's not I'm not that what I can say active in winters, but sir, how to do the derivation and high level concept in this shift. So guys, my point is very clear right here. What is my point? My point is, look, you have to be very, very active, because you don't have any other choice. So first of all, don't think that way. Okay, so that's I'll not be active in this shift. No, you have to be. You are doing JEE preparation. It's not a very easy exam, guys. You have to be productive, you have to be active. But it's the very best time to the derivation, because in this time, guys, if you are in a room, in your room, and you are just studying, so you can focus very high at this point of time. So do the derivations, high level concept that you think that very, very important. For example, in chemistry, that the derivations from chemical kinetics. Okay, the derivations or the important questions of solution, fractional distillation, everything very, very important high level concept you will do in this shift. And in the last shift, 8 to 12 or 1, whatever you are giving, solve questions and numericals. This is a time where you'll have no disturbance at all, from anyone, from the neighborhood, from anyone. So no disturbance at this point of time. So you will solve questions. You will focus how to attempt the question. Okay, how to understand the question, how to solve the numericals. So you will focus in these shift like this: theory, derivation, high level concept, understanding, and then solve questions and numericals. Guys, believe me, this whole strategy, I've been working to just finalize this, that what is going to be the best strategy for you. So believe me, this is going to be a great working for you. So you can just do this while we are talking about the whole day schedule. All right. Okay, I'm not going to say that you should, you can just do this. There should be 3 shifts. It can start, if you're an early morning person, you can have 6 to 10. So you can change it, okay, accordingly. But you have to maintain 3 shifts like this. This is my point, guys. Now, what is the best strategy for these last 20 days? So the first 10 days, everyone, the first 10 days will be, you will take your high weightage chapters. All right, so high weightage chapters. This doesn't mean that you should skip or ignore your low weightage chapters. I'm not saying that, but I want to make sure that you will focus first on high weightage concepts, because they will give you the great marks. Okay, the marks is very, very are very, very important. So high weightage chapters should be your first priority in the first 10 days. You will not do any mock test during this day because it will take a lot of time. High weighted chapters, you can't skip any of the concept. You should do each and everything from the chapter. For example, guys, I've written some of the chapters from physics, mathematics, and chemistry to give you some example. Modern physics, guys, very high weightage chapter. Current, electricity, electrostatics, 3D and geometry, sets and relations, matrices and determinants. In chemistry, GOC, very high weightage, important. Chemical bonding, D and F block, coordination compounds. So in the first 10 days, what you will do? High weighted chapters revision. Okay. Now in the last 10 days, guys, low weighted chapters, because the low weighted chapters does not include a lot of subtopics and topics and everything. You have to focus on these chapters just to solve the questions which are direct questions. You don't have to go in a lot of depth in these chapters because they're the low weighted chapters. Okay, you will not have a lot of questions from these chapters. So don't go in depth, just do the chapter from the basic point of view so that you can attempt a very basic question. And because this will not take a lot of time, you will do a lot of mock test in the last 10 days. This is very important, guys. So this is how you will plan your last 20 days. First 10 days with the high weighted chapters, last 10 days low weighted chapters along with the mock test solution and analysis. Now, after doing all this, you will get motivation. You will get motivated after seeing your mock test result because you will score better because you are now confident with the revision right now. You just did revision in the last 10 days, in the first 10 days. Getting my point, everyone? All right. Now, the next thing, everyone, syllabus and strategy. Syllabus and strategy. Okay. Syllabus and strategy means how to do my syllabus now. How to do my syllabus now. Okay, everyone. While making your strategy for the first 10 days, okay, for the first 10 days, let's say for the first 10 days, we are talking for the first 10 days. Let's say this is your day one. This is your day one. Okay. In the day one, you will have 3 shifts. Okay. And in these 3 shifts, everyone, you will do a thing that you will take the chapters from each and every subject. Okay. And one very important point, guys, one very important point. So while doing this, it's not important, it's not important that you will have the focus on theory and focus on derivation and high level concept. You can have chapters within this thing. I'm saying focus on theory. This can be any chapter of the chemistry. If you think there is no chapter right now and I want to have physics chapter, so I'll do the physics chapter which is having high derivation and high level concept in this shift. So here we can have chemistry, here we can have physics, here we can have maths, physics, whatever you think. Okay, you have to make your plan accordingly. All right, sir. But what is important is very basic thing that while planning your whole syllabus, you should group your chapters in a way that all the similar chapters should be there just after one by one. You can't do this that you will take chemical bonding first and then suddenly you start with GOC and then suddenly you go with redox reaction. No, you don't do this. Okay, you will not do this. What you will do? If you start with periodicity, then in chemistry you will go periodicity, D and F, P block. First of all, you have to do this group. Because these chapters are so related, it is very important to be highly productive while doing these 3 chapters. If you start with mole concept, then you will do solutions within, just after this. All right. If you go with chemical bonding, you will do coordination compound. If you start GOC, you will do hydrocarbon, haloalkane, haloarine. If you do this group, then you should start this group because organic chemistry is very much related to each other. So you will do this group then. Okay. This is how you will plan your 3 shifts within this 10 days, and you should do the preparation, guys. Now the last but not the least, okay, in this preparation, that's how to get motivated. How to get motivated, guys. This is the last point which we need to discuss in this video. It's very important to feel motivated, all right? And to be motivated, guys, I think the very important tool to be motivated is just complete your syllabus, solve as many as questions you can. As soon as you will get your success while doing the questions, while solving the questions, as soon as you are having the correct answers of the questions, that is the biggest motivation that you can have in your preparation. Otherwise, no motivation is bigger than that. All right. Believe me, if you do the revision, the first 10 days revision of the very important high weighted chapters, and then you will do your mock test. While doing the revisions, you are solving the questions, you are solving the modules, and you are getting answers. This is the most important motivation that you can have. So guys, go ahead, start planning, make your plan in the 3 shifts. grouped your chapters in a way that you will have the similar chapters together. And that's it from my side. I'll come up, with all these strategies and important things for all of you guys with the time. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.